talo ang Signal.
Linda Morales on your screen, one of the leaders of her squad, together with, of course, team captain Julie Caballejo and everybody. She's trying to work hard. Higpit serves that. Caballejo digs it up. Di makulangan to that running play. Blocked and no coverage from Signal.
Micah Ortiz with a powerful running hit there. Ang sabi nga niya, she's going to ask for more balls today.
Well, if you want it and you ask for it, the center will definitely give it to you.
Yes.
Malangan now serving. Finds Usher. Vivas with that hit, but solid block from Micah Ortiz.
Yeah, and nobody even tried to get that ball from the Signal camp.
No attempt.
Yeah, no attempt.
Number 1, Rhea.
Let's see if we do a better job here. Di makulangan. Getting that over.
I hope hindi yun yung start ulit ng service errors nila.
Again, kanina, as I said, very important, ilan ang tapon nitong Marcy Cola. Di makulangan. The backline attack, Linda Morales. Again, too much power. Too much gigil. Is that too much gigil from Linda Morales?
Tingin ko too much gigil. May kita mo yung facial expression niya afterwards. No? Parang gigil na gigil.
Captain Higpit Laborde. Gives it to Caballejo. Di makulangan to McClinton. McClinton is finding that open area in the back.
Ganda ng palo ni McClinton. No? Once again, nakalusot siya sa blockers ng Signal. At syempre, napakalakas ng palo ni McClinton. Ang hirap for the floor coverage nun, for the floor defense of Signal, rather.
Ortiz, good serve. Higpit goes to the opposite side. Usher digs it in. Saved by Ortiz. Easy over. Chance for Signal. Gallinero goes to Higpit. Short set, but still over. McClinton adjusts as well. Higpit. Vivas will set this up. We go back to Usher. A cross-court hit. Too much power. Project Janela.
Grabe yung palo ni Usher. Linihis niya dun sa blockers ng RC. Look at this replay. There goes the high set. She goes up. Yun, no? Lihis na lihis yung palo niya.
Makikita mo yung twist ng arms niya.
Oo. Paano naman? Nandun kasi sa harap ni si Linda Morales.
Another poor reception from Marcy Cola. An easy point for Signal.
It's another miscommunication there on the second ball of RC Cola. They need to communicate more. Gaya nga ng sabi ni Micah Ortiz, kasi yung personality nila hindi maingay. So they have to work extra hard to create noise in the court.
Usher finds McClinton. Makulangan. Goes back to Sarah. Higpit now goes to the opposite side. Humay Vivas getting it over the blockers, but goes outside.
Alam mo, yun, sayang yung sayang yung dig ni Janela. Ang ganda ng pagka-dig niya dun sa bola. Hindi lang na-finish ni Vivas sa play na yun. Good serve.
Higpit. Good serve, that's still alive. Oh, what a save. Oh, but no effort there from Gallinero.
Alam mo, those were good saves from Amanda Anderson. That ball hit the net twice. Na-save niya. Mahirap gawin tonight.
Isa nga nakatalikod pa siya.
Oo, tapos it kept alive. Only, napakaganda. Sa sobrang ganda, nanood si Gallinero.
That was better serve from Sarah McClinton.
And you know the errors of Signal, one after another. They have to compose themselves.
You have to stop this now.
Oo, stop this now.
Momentum is still on RC Cola. Humay Vivas with a better reception. And still, another error for Signal.
Ito nga pag na-frustrate daw sila, they just try to, I'm talking about Signal, they just try to really encourage each other and make noise in the court. So what else can you do, di ba? Alam naman magsisihan ka.
Another service error from the side of RC Cola. And it's not even the first technical timeout na nakakadalawa na tayo.
Oo nga.
Dito sa Raiders.
So let's see kung magte-take advantage ba ang Signal dun sa error ng service ng RC Cola.
May Vivas.
Serve.
Gives it to McClinton. Di makulangan. Caballero, solid block, but that goes outside.
That was a good read there by Linda Morales. Hindi lang inabot.
That would bring us to our first technical timeout. RC Cola 8, Signal 5. Alam mo, lagi ko sinasabi kulang sa listahan ni Linda Morales. James Velasquez. But no wonder she's playing this way. 12 years, at sabi niya, she's always at the gym, always working hard.
Right. Tsaka gusto pala niya Twilight Saga. Nabasa mo ba yun?
No. Okay, so Hinkpit goes back to Usher. Easy over, dug up by Balmaceda. Di makulangan, backline hit. Or front line for Morales, rather. Gallinero, dug up by Balmaceda. Goes back to Caballero, down the line. That was outside, but Vivas picks it up. And they go back to Usher, solid block, still alive. Caballero getting it out over Hinkpit. To the quick play. And an attack well read by Usher. Laborde goes for that soft pin again. Now they go to the running, well read by Laborde. They go to the outside. And again, still dug up by Caballero. McClinton from behind. Di makulangan to the running play. Linda Morales. Oh, but that was, I think, Nick Laborde was called for net violation.
Grabe yung mga rallies natin dito. No? Nobody wants to lose this game. Talagang may dito may effort from both teams. Excellent floor defense and offense.
At third down, Barcelona team captain, Judy Caballero.
So, a violation called on this time on RC Cola.
I think it was on the rotation.
Yes, most probably. Dahil tinawag lang naman yun ang pagka-serve ni Judy Caballero.
And the server is supposed to be Linda Morales and not Caballero.
So again, this is where you can see na medyo may lack of communication nga inside the court, and even the lack of focus, because you can actually ask the referee kung sino ba talaga yung mag-serve just to double check.
That's right. Saka di ba meron ka namang kadayagonal?
Yes.
So kung sino yung kadayagonal mo, tingnan mo lang kung nasan siya, malalaman mo na yung pwesto mo.
Kung front line na siya,
Backline
that's
ka.
your time to serve.
Oo. So now Gallinero serves for Signal.
Serving Fritz Gallinero.
Good serve there.
Dug up by Chinala. Vivas will do the setting. Usher blocked but covered by Hinkpit. Laborde goes back to Usher. Cross-court hit. Caballero doing a good job. Cases will go back to McClinton. Junella picks it up. Hinkpit to the outside. Usher once again. Now this time saved by Morales. Di makulangan. Goes back to Cases. And Di makulangan. Good play. Final kiss, and that is effective. Actually goes to Laborde and Hinkpit.
What a game we're having here. Tapos pag namatay yung bola, hindi easy, no? Mahirap din eh. So, napakaganda ko ng kilos ng ating players from both teams.
To serve Joy Cases. She has been very effective with her offense and defense. And now with her serve, Hinkpit goes back to Usher. Good job, Usher.
What a play there. A combination play created by Hinkpit. If we see more of that, mas mabilis silang makakaangat sa score.
At saka ang ganda ng fake ni Usher because again, paulit-ulit ilang rallies yun. And all throughout here, in the second set, hindi naman siya naghulog ng bola. It was all power from her. So
right.
this time, no one was expecting it.
Is the center, April.
Tapos ang hulog pa ng bola niya sa butas, eh, no?
Hinkpit targets Linda Morales. Easy over, chance for Signal. Hinkpit will go back to Usher, cross-court, but well, that actually hits the line.
What an angle of a hit there from Usher. If you look at this replay, there goes the setup, wind-up, and then when she hits that ball, lands on the line. It's a crazy hit there from Usher.
Hinkpit rather. Good hit from her. Too low, but Di Makulangan will now go back to McClinton. Cross court. Junella saves it. Hingpit again goes back to Usher. Soft hit, well read. Linda Morales, easy over once again from Caballero. Hingpit to the outside. That was just too much power for Linda Morales.
Pero yung katawan ni Usher, naka-diagonal yung shoulders niya. So you think she'd go for a cross-court hit. Look at this. Tapos, biglang dinown the line.
That's another adjustment made by Usher. And Hingpit targets Caballero. Running in for Michael Ortiz, but well read by Signal.
What a block there from Usher. Iba na talaga, no? Pag, if you're 6'2".
Yes. And you know how to time the ball very well.
And Signal now takes the lead. Bill Sherman center.
3 straight points for Signal HB Spikers. Hingpit, good serve from her, targets Morales. Di makulangan to McClinton, cross court. Saved by Janela, Hingpit to the outside by Usher. Good block from Ortiz, di makulangan this time.
Arcebola.
Good hit from Di Makulangan. Jack Janela was there, ready for that. Kaya lang, mas, ano siya, naka-forward lang siya masyado eh. Kaya yung bola dumulong sa katawan niya.
Outside the outside at 11, serving for Arcebola, Mr. Center, Rhea Imapula.
Another one. Arcebola. We have to check the stats, but as far as I know, that is at least the third service error for Arcebola.
Yun yung pumapatay sa kanila eh. It's the services.
Now, this is
Good serve there from Laborde.
Good block for Signal. Check that. Oh, well read by Signal. Hingpit goes to the opposite side. Oh my Vivas! Saved by Balmaceda. Di makulangan. Goes back to McClinton. That was too short, but no coverage still from the side of Signal.
Alam mo, when McClinton got that ball, medyo nagulat pa nga siya, kaya in-off speed na lang niya eh. But Gallinero was caught watching again.
You know what? That could have been a chance for Signal dahil easy over na lang yun galing kay McClinton.
That's right.
Hingpit will try to attack once again, but dug up by Caballero. And that goes outside. Another point. Arcebola.
Si Anderson nang gigil eh, dun sa regalo eh. So yung pwesto ng katawan niya nakaharap sa outside eh, kaya dun pumunta yung bola.
It's Usher. We will go back to Usher. Much power from Caballero, or Joy Casas rather.
That was a good hit there from Usher. Siguro dahil sa top silog.
Tapsilog.
Niya. Nice effort.
Target for Ariel Usher.
Si Ariel Usher din kasi smart when she serves. No? She doesn't just serve the ball to get it over the net, but she looks for the weakest link
Yes.
sa kabilang side ng court.
Well, of course, that's why you have the 8 seconds to find your target. So that one goes outside.
And now we're tied at 14.
Now for Arcebola.
Here comes McClinton with a serve. Good steady serve.
Oh, good coverage from Umay Vivas. Gallinero getting that over. Di makulangan. Will go to the outside. Joy Casas all alone, but still, that ball goes outside.
Alam mo, nag-play off ni Casas eh, dun sa play na yun. Kulang too much power lang.
Yes.
Kulang sa reception.
Sayang kasi wala siyang blocker. Ang galing ng set
Oo.
din ni Di makulangan at that time.
Ay, naloko niya eh, no?
Oo.
Naloko niya yung blocker.
See if they can do a better job. Vivas goes to Caballero. Di makulangan. McClinton will attack and get a point.
Yung pag-receive kasi ni Jack Janela, paside
Paside,
eh.
yes.
O, kaya wala kang control pag paside. So, kailangan squared laging shoulders mo dun sa bola. Look at that. There, oh, paside.
Caballero finding Vivas. Hingpit will give the back attack and effective for Amanda Anderson.
What a hit there from Amanda Anderson. One of her favorite hits. A running hit.
And that will bring us to our second technical timeout. Signal 16, Arcebola 15.
lang siya dun sa right position di ba? Kasi linihis ni Linda Morales yung kamay niya Kaya yung bola, nagulat si Vivas for that.
Linda Morales will now serve and try to attack from the service line. And she does.
What a serve from Linda Morales.
Ang ganda ng flight ng bola ni Linda Morales. And we always talk about this, Chiki, even like when we're shooting for power tips, which is actually on season number 2 now. So guys, abangan nyo yan. But you know, yeah, we would always talk about it na mas nakakadaya pa nga yung serve na hindi nagsispin. And people would actually think na mas mahirap kunin yung mga mabilis na nagsispin na bola. But what they don't know, it's easier or harder to get those yung patay na bola na tinatawag natin.
Oo, kasi yung mga floaters, walang ano yun
Direksyon.
walang isang direksyon.
Yung direction ng bolang yun wasn't that good for RC Cola as that one goes outside and they give another point to Signal. At ito na naman yung ginagawa ng RC Cola na yung mga unforced errors nila, yung nagbibigay talaga ng puntos dito sa Signal.
That's a good serve there.
Di Makulangan goes to the opposite side, backline. Linda Morales was blocked but dug up by Vivas. They go back to Usher, soft hit, well read by Morales. Di Makulangan, too low, but Ortiz was able to adjust and get that over, get that point.
Alam mo, yun ang nagagawa ng experience, Kapag yung bola medyo off sa'yo, gaya ng yung set, hindi Makulangan that time for Ortiz, nagawa niya ng paraan and earned a point for them.
So that's what you want from your attacker. Actually, itong si Di Makulangan, napakaswerte niya sa kanya mga attackers and they're always able to adjust to each and every set. But that time, no one was able to adjust from the side of RC Cola as everybody just stood there and watched the ball fall.
Kaya nga, di ba, yung rule dyan, always mine. Don't wait for your kakampi, for your teammate to get that ball. Think of the ball as it's yours.
Sino ang aangkin sa bolang to? Linda Morales says, mine. Balmaceda gives it to Caballejo. She puts it over. Higpit to the back foot. Di Makulangan quick play as well. Gallinero was there. Higpit going back to Usher. And what a cross-court hit for Ariel Usher.
Si Usher kasi, parang the way she plays, look at this. There's that replay, there's the setup. She goes up for that hit. Alam niya kung paano i-control yung bola natutwist niya yung arm niya, yung hand niya, so that that ball will go exactly where she wants it to go.
Again, if you have your mom, your dad, and your
Lola
as a coach, then you better know how to do it.
Yeah, kundi, tempo shot.
But you know, it's not just Ariel Usher. Of course, you have Nicky Lacorte and Kumay Vivas helping with the blocking. That last play gave Signal another point, and Coach Bill will call another timeout. Well, half the heart doesn't give you half the point, so you really have to go for it.
Right.
Di Makulangan goes to McClinton, and she went for it, and she got that point.
Kasi si McClinton practices what she preaches. Kumbaga kasi ito sinabi niya, this is when we're supposed to drive. And she did.
That's what you want to be. Someone who leads by example.
Right.
Tignan natin kung sinong gagawa niyan from Signal. As Hingpit gives it back to Usher. Cross-court hit, dug up by Morales. Balmaceda gives it to McClinton. They go back to Usher. And down the line.
Usher knew where to put that ball. Zone 1. Kasi mas mahirap for a tall person to go down to the floor, di ba? Yung timing niya. Ayun, kita mo, medyo mabagal yung paggalaw ni Linda Morales. It's a good target.
Better reception from Linda Morales. Quick play, good coverage from Signal. And that will be an easy over chance for RC Cola. Di Makulangan goes back to McClinton, block. And Vivas will do the setting part. We go back to Usher. Good defense from Balmaceda. They go back to Morales. Another good dig. And no coverage that time from Signal.
Again, ang ganda na naman ng rally na yun. Powerful hits. Those were crazy hits. Those were tip-overs. Ang ganda ng floor defense. So now when Semana comes in and Mike Ortiz takes a breather.
Timeout by Signal HC Spikers.
And now there's a timeout called by Signal.
You know, it's always better to have that ball higher than you. Kasi pag mas mataas, kahit mabitin ka, pwede mo pang i-over. Kaysa yung mas mababa pa siya, talagang mahihirapan yung mga spikers. That was easily dug up by Usher. We go back to her. She gets it from Morales and McClendon, no problem there.
Usher, no, from the back line. She hits that ball. She's actually a front liner yet at that time. So that was a good play there, called by Pitt.
And the first down for Signal. Long, Origin USA. Area Usher.
That was too low. And dapat, di makulangan. Goes back to Caballero. Block. And she gets it through Anderson.
Caballero, napakalakas ng loob. Nakita niya si Anderson in front, pero nagawa niya ng paraan yung kanyang hit. Lumusot sa blocking ni Anderson.
Barcelona just 1 point away from tying this set. McClendon goes back to Usher. Higpit goes to the outside. Dapat was blocked. That actually did go over. So referee calls that a violation or touch.
Caballero comes back to the game. So dapat takes a breather.
For Arcibola from Kansas.
Ang exciting ng game na to, no? Ilang beses na tayo nagtatay sa set na to.
Higpit, back foot. Effective, dug up. Di makulangan, goes back to the outside. Joy Casas blocked, but still alive. Caballero sending it easy over. Higpit going back to Usher, miscommunication there. And no covers from the side of Arcibola. That was supposed to be their chance already because that was an easy over from Signal.
You know, nagka-miscommunication sa Signal. Ayan, may kita mo. So it was an easy over. The ball went up. Nobody again took that ball. You know why? Because second ball na yun eh. First ball si Linda Morales.
Yes.
So that was Di Makulangan's ball.
Yes, but you know, I thought parehas sila eh. Di Makulangan was thinking that Caballero was gonna get it. And Judy Caballero naman was trying to get ready for an attack.
Right.
Poor reception and you just can't get that over. But now it's set point for Signal. And Coach Bill calls a timeout. He wants to talk things through with the Raiders.
Ganda na sa harap pa. Pag-decide natin, lalamang tayo doon sa posisyon. Okay? First ball. Ano gagawa? Hindi siya makatake kung wala tayong isip. Sayang talaga, focus. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, pag nasa inyo yung bola, huwag na kayong tayin. Kunin nyo na. Kaya nintay mo pa si Ria. Lahi-lahi niya pinanggalingan. Pwede mo namang ipatin. Focus lang. Hindi tayo center kung nasa harap nyo yung bola, kunin nyo na. Tara, kaya lang. Receive nyo na.
Kailangan talaga first ball, kailangan mag-focus, kailangan kunin na yung bola, help the setter. Ang layo-layo daw ng lamang nila and then suddenly, kita mo na, Signal is leading 24-22. So let's hope for Arcibola na that momentum breaker of a timeout worked for them. Now you've got Mullenberg in the court.
They still definitely have a chance, as what Coach Bill said. Linda Morales is still in front. They need a better reception. Let's see. McClendon digs it up. Di Makulangan goes to Caballero, and that hits the line.
So again, that was a good play there from Di Makulangan, giving the ball to Caballero.
Pinnan goes back in. So that's Vivas. Lalabas muna to si Ancheta. Now it's Coach Sagi is going to call a timeout.
Yeah. Masyado dito. Dito lang oh. Alito.
But I'm sorry, are you telling her to keep it in a little bit?
Yeah, you a little bit,
Running short.
No, long, only a little bit. So that this one. Yes, okay. Then snap it, okay. And the backline.
Pag wala receive backline.
Hit it, okay. Good receive go.
Pag wala pass sa backline.
Ang talagang instruction ni Coach Sammy doon, no? Just hit that ball hard to earn that quick point. Nakita naman natin, no? Mumay Vivas can deliver, si Anderson and Usher can deliver. So if they can just have a good first ball, yun, ang plano is hit it really hard. Right now, the service is for Arsicola and Caballero. Medyo may pressure yan because if the ball hits the net or gets tumama sa net and hindi mag-over, manalo na dito ang signal. But she does a good job putting that ball over.
There you have it. Signal actually wins the third set to score in a 25-23.